Kabuk ser banthia de ki archaka ki jong pimenta ka kinti wan chaka frang Yamaha but yoru ki cashback hado saw jar tinga but jinga eru ki helmet habathia de ki Yamaha scooter kin yoru ka discount ka bahadu nyaw jar tinga habathia de ki bag FC but FZS but ru ka down payment ka bakhala jar tinga phone ki number harum Kumshi banta ka jing batalon ya ka special summary revision of photo electoral roll sa jar pusan CEO ka jalaw la lom ya jalang jong baro ki nay lam ki seng sign prothei ka long banta ka sngi ha ka bala don lang ru ki district election officers kumta shwa pakani ka kam kan sedang banyano shikhamat ka long ka badon kam banyo ya ka je ther ya tai ne man ya pleu jingmot pe ki seng sign prothei jong ka jala hadien ka ne ka jalang CEO la pelong ya ka je kendo pat ki la pathai khubor ban patai pat ya ki sen jam ki bala shem na ka ne ka je kendo.
Today we have a meeting with the political party representatives in respect to the ongoing summary revision, special summary revision of the photo electoral roll with respect to the qualifying date 1st January 2025. So, as per existing policy of the ECI, the annual summary revision with reference to the 1st January of the coming year as qualifying date is normally conducted in the later part of each year in all state UTs, so that final publication of electoral roll is made in the first week of January of succeeding year. So, as per the provisions of section 14 of RP Act 1950, four qualifying dates 1st January, 1st April, 1st July and 1st October are available, and therefore annual summary revision is conducted with reference to 1st January of the succeeding year as a qualifying date, along with the seeking advance application for three subsequent qualifying dates 1st April, 1st July and 1st October of the year. So, Election Commission of India had decided to carry out annual summary revision with reference to 1st January 2025 as the qualifying date in all state UTs except Haryana, Jharkhand, Maharashtra and UT of Jammu and Kashmir in such a manner that the electoral roll are finally published much before National Voters Day, which is on 25th January of every year, so that electoral photo identity cards or epics generated for new electors, especially young voters who are completing 18 years, can be distributed to them in ceremonial manner on the day of National Voters Day. So there are two stages of conducting revision exercise of electoral roll, namely pre-revision activities and revision activities. For the purpose of achieving good quality electoral roll, pre-revision activities are given equal weightage as that of revision activities. The schedule of special summary revision of electoral roll is also being shared. So house to house, as per the pre-revision activity, we are having house to house verification through booth level officers, and then rationalization, rearrangement of the polling station, removal of discrepancies in the electoral roll and epics such as dead, duplicate, shifted electors, etc., and improvement quality of photographs wherever necessary. So for that a date has been given. So 20th August 2024 till 18th October 2024, this is the pre-revision activities time schedule. So preparation of integrated draft roll with reference to 1st January 2025 as qualifying date. It will be by Monday on 28th of October 2024. After the pre-revision activity, as part of the revision activities, we have the publication of integrated draft electoral roll, which will held on the 29th October 2024 on Tuesday. So period for filing of claims and objections will be from 29th October till 28th November for 1 month, and then special campaign dates in between where the BLOs have they will be present on their booth and people can approach there also. So special campaign dates are the 15th and 16th November, and similarly 21st and 22nd November. So 4 special campaign dates will be there at the polling stations. So disposal of claim objection will be by 24th of December 2024. So 28th November till 24th this disposal of claim objection will be ongoing, but that process will end by 24th of the December. So final publication of the electoral roll will be held on 6th January 2025 Monday.
Number of voters?
Whenever this, the voter list will be freeze as per the instruction of the Election Commission of India, which will be the before the nomination dates, last date of the nomination.
What is the letter? Something on poll date.
So poll date we can't say anything. The schedule will be announced by Honorable Election Commission of India. We will go accordingly.
Before December 2nd.
It should be held within 6 months.
So likely you are suggesting any dates?
There is no suggestion from the end of the year. It is decided by the EC.
So preparation for the Cambridge poll is on.
So all the needful things we are ready. Once the Election Commission will announce the date and all the needful things will be taken.
Can we expect in November, since December is the festival time?
Once this schedule will be announced by Commission, I already told, so we will go accordingly. We almost going to complete this house-to-house verification and pre-revision exercise, most of the activities. So process is ongoing. We have a meeting with the political party representatives and all the schedule necessary requisite request in respect to any complaint and appointment of BLA, etc., and detailed schedule, special mandate, and all the details of the special summary revision has been briefed to the political party representatives, and we had a good discussion and we addressed to their queries.